What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. In today's video, we're going to go over NEO and the market as a whole. I think there's a healthy pullback today. But before we get into that, I did want to say this. If you're a subscriber of mine, make sure you hit that bell notification icon in the right near where my name and the subscribe button is. That way you're always notified when I upload, and you're notified about cryptocurrency news, price action, trading, anything of that matter, tutorials. I do it all on the channel because a lot of people have complained to me, and I've even complained saying, you know, that they're not being updated when I upload. So I tell them you have to hit the bell notification icon. It takes less than a minute. YouTube is very wonky nowadays. You have to do it, or else you're not going to be updated. So make sure you do it. It takes less than a second. The market today, healthy pullback, just healthy consolidation. It's not even really a pullback. Most of today's reds are single-digit reds. All right, so you go to the reds. There's only 4 double-digit reds. Most of today's reds, most of today's losses, most of today's sellers are single-digit, which is a good sign. Bitcoin up 2.56%. Ethereum up 0.17%. Ripple down almost 2%. That's expected. Huge pump yesterday. A lot of money coming into XRP, so keep an eye on XRP. It could surprise a lot of people. Bitcoin Cash down almost 3%. EOS up almost 2%. Litecoin down 4%. Cardano down 3%. Stellar down a little bit over 3%. IOTA up down 3%. NEO down 4% almost. Monero down 2.33%. You go through just a lot of single-digit gains, some little bit of sell-side action, but nothing that's unhealthy. I was expecting this. We had a huge surge yesterday. A lot of money came in. I remember making videos not too long ago. We were at a $250 billion market cap, right? Now we're at $374 billion. So we've gained a lot of money back into the market, and there's still more to come. There's still institutional investors putting money in, or waiting to put money in. And of course, you're going to have the FOMO effect eventually. I'm looking for that key market cap of $500 billion. Once we get there, I think it's going to instill even more confidence into the market. So keep an eye out for that. So yeah, overall, I'm feeling bullish. I'm really happy with crypto right now. I see the possibility of some coins doing a triple bottom and then taking off, but I also see the possibility of some coins just, taking off right this second. So we're going to go into that in future videos, but today we're talking about NEO. We're going to do some analysis on NEO. Where is the price of NEO heading? So firstly, let's just do some history in NEO. You could see over here, there's overbuying, which correlates with the RSI. There's overbuying, right? And we had a pullback. We had a big pullback down to this floor, right? Came up a little bit, dropped even more, came up a little bit, dropped even more. This was all the bear market the past few months, because this happened in the very middle of January. So this was all bear market over here. And then that brings us to this floor right here, all right? So let me get my trend line out. And we were at about here. We hit a floor at about 40, a little bit over $40, okay? And then we start to take off. Now, what I think is going to happen with NEO is I think NEO is one of the coins that will double bottom, just because on the RSI, you're starting to see us get, not dangerously close, not a big deal, but get close to overbuying territory, which is over 70 on the RSI, okay? Over that level right there. Now, the reason I say this is this. So you see NEO, it hits a bottom, it starts to take off. It's going to get into overbuying territory, relatively soon. And when that does, usually a coin, it might be able to sustain it for a bit, but eventually it will pull back from it. So you do have to take that into consideration. And I think once it does pull back, it may pull back down to this floor, right? This healthy floor right here where selling stops. And once it does that, you could expect a huge takeoff, because a double bottom is a bullish sign. Of course, there's always the possibility of a triple bottom, which is also bullish. It just means it takes more time. But, could this be the takeoff for NEO? Yes. But again, we're almost in overbuying over here. So I think there's a strong possibility we get a little bit higher with NEO. We bounce back down, maybe not all the way to this level, but it's very possible. And then we really take off, because that's what things are looking to be the most likely for with Neo. So I'm definitely, I like Neo. I think there's gonna be a lot of opportunity if you got in over here. If you got in anywhere over here, great. Even if you got in over here, not too bad, because again, once the bull run takes off, I think Neo is going to be a $200 coin. It's very, very possible we get to $200 with Neo, especially a lot of people looking for passive income in cryptocurrency. I made a video on that in the past. Hold that Neo, get your gas, man. I mean, there's no reason not to. I love passive income, but yeah, so that's my thoughts on Neo. Overall, bullish. Prices are going to go up. Expect and wait for the bull run. The bull run is coming. The bulls are coming, all right? So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share. Again, hit the bell notification icon. It helps so much, and so you are notified when I upload. That's it for this video, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.